So this is going to be a hotel tour of no place other than wherever we always stay. If you can take a guess, but you don't really need to because it's already in the title. Not Hampton Inn. The Comfort Suites. Alright. So this is your main entrance area. Oddly enough, the sign on the wall there says the door here is locked all the time, but it's never is. Come into the lobby. Got a nice little lobby area with plenty of waiting spaces and the breakfast section over there. Wonderful check-in desk here. If you come around this way, so this is what the breakfast setup area looks like. Right now there's nothing set up because it's nighttime, so everything's been taken out. And then you cross over this way, and they have the marketplace here, which is common in most Comfort Inn Comfort Suites facilities now. I believe this is a conference room here. I can't open that though. So if we go over here, so this is going to be a short tour, by the way. It's a small hotel. This is the business center area, locked by the magnetic lock there. Let's see if it didn't relock. It was locked yesterday, but the reader works. Wonder why it didn't lock. Maybe I have to go in? I don't know. Let's see. So you got your usual computer station set up, lots of free pens. Basic Windows computer, pay station for the printer, pretty basic room. Let's see if this, no, it didn't lock. So this is a switch here, and that would be why it didn't lock. The switch was locked into place. So now it should lock. There, yeah, now it's locked. Yeah, so this switch was open so it didn't lock. There we go, now it should be locked. Yeah, there we go. Now I have to swipe. Wait for that to lock. Yeah, that works. Cool. Okay, so that's your business center computer station. To the left of us is the elevators, but there's... oh, nobody there. Ice machine over there, water fountain, elevators. My elevator enthusiast friends will find these elevators quite interesting when we do get to those. That will not be for a little while. Guess I'll be going in there later. We'll go outside first. Okay, so outside we got a pool, which is ice cold. Looks a lot bigger on camera than it is. I wish I could get the actual dimensions of this, or a better representation. I mean, it's not too bad. It's your typical hotel pool. Taken on an angled camera, it looks huge. Over there, they got a hot tub, which you can kind of see a little bit of steam off it. Maybe not on camera, but there is a little bit of steam. And there's a sitting spot up over there. So yeah, and if you look around here, this is the only backside entrance to the hotel, is where we just passed by. Right over there is the Embassy Suites, Residence Inn Marriott, and the Hampton Inn right there. And going back to the hotel. So we'll just come over here. Let's go back inside. Okay, so this door lock does work. It's kind of a rare door lock type, actually. Utilizes this thing. A latch bar. So the fitness center hours 6 a.m. to midnight. Does open. So got a towel return, waste bin. It looks like an empty water bin. Towels. Current time is like 7:40. It's like a closet here. Is this a closet or is this the windows? This is the windows. So you got an elliptical machine, a bench, TV, usual Comfort Inn signs. Weights. I know they always talk about the gluing down of the 50-pound weights, but I can pick up 50 pounds pretty easily. And that is definitely liftable. I'm not quite sure where that idea came from. I have never seen that, but I hear about it all the time. Treadmill, pretty nice treadmill actually, Life Fitness brand, and a big mirror as always. It's your courtesy phone as well. Alright, so we're gonna get on the elevator and go up and see our other amenity. And then a room tour. Hopefully I can fit all this in under 10 minutes. One of my shorter hotel tours, I hardly have those. Alright, so we got some Otis Series 5s. Just kidding, Otis Series 6. Oh, and better yet, green Otis Series 6, at least on this one. Get a focus on that? There we go. Here we are, 4th floor. Focus, come on. It's not working. Oh well. Camera's got real good quality picture when it focuses. Okay, the laundry room. Need that key back out again. Here we are. Right, this door. Something's up with this door. Just pull the handle up. There's the switch. Storage, which is locked. Okay, here's the laundry machines. Typical Maytag machines. That one's out of order. So let's look at the... Oh, it even says it on the screen. F20. It's probably an error code of sorts. Yeah, out of order it says. Okay, look inside. Pretty clean. Cleaner than the ones at my apartment building. Dryer inside. Pretty clean. Nice machines, actually. Not bad. Could use to have a little more space between here and that counter, but other than that, pretty decent. Okay, so now we're gonna go up to my room. We'll take the stairs. Or as everybody likes to say, the man-powered elevator. Don't see this kind of staircase much in hotels. A little bit newer ones more than older ones, but usually the stairwells in hotels are finished. And they don't have a giant drop down the middle. Okay, 5th floor. They're missing the sign. They put in one. Alright. That door doesn't close all the way. There we go. Alrighty. Time to come in to the room. Door sticks a little. Hello guys, I'm here. Alright, so we're in the room. Close the door. Here's your map. Okay, so first thing you see on the left is the restroom, which is fairly nice. Has granite counters, towel storage. She gave us a lot of towels, okay. And a lot of shampoo. The maid helped us with the supplies. Sink runs well. Have your toilet. Give her a flush. Not too bad. And then this granite wall jacuzzi bathtub, which is really, really nice looking. Water runs on it just fine. Shower mode. Let's see if I can. There we go. Shower's a little thin. I don't have it on full power though either. So, not too surprised by that at the moment. I got your hair dryer and mirror here as well. My darn keys. Never facing the right way. Picture I wear on me, my badge thing. Okay, you got your fridge. Does not come with banana and yogurts by default. We grabbed those earlier. Microwave. Pretty clean. It runs. Okay, I get it. It's good. Coffee maker there. Basic Hamilton coffee maker. Shakes do not come with the room. Your mirror here. Typical view mirror. Nice little chair. Table and pull-out couch. A desk with some stuff on it. TV stand usually comes with the bedding for the couch, but we already put it on the bed. LG TV, basic but nice. Let's see here. You got your foot stands and a little, that's the end table over there. King size beds. Let's take a looky here and see. Yep, there it is, the Bible. If you look at your view outside, you can see the Embassy Suites and the parking lot. That's about it. Then there's a separate bedroom here. King size bed. It's got its own heating and air conditioning unit. 2 end tables. See if one of these also has a Bible in it. Just interested. Don't really need to see. But we'll find out. Nope. Same view. Embassy Suites, parking lot. Got your TV and your TV stand and your own little closet. How nice is that? Pretty nice for comfort suites. I will say this one is a very nice hotel. Especially because like everything here works. Door locks, all that fancy stuff except for the front door. Yeah, pretty nice. So, one last view of your room, and that's it.